watching the Beats and I am Monica Ratu. The word is the sound of the third wave of corona in India. Once again, more than 1 lakh patients are hospitalized in America. This is the biggest figure since January this year. Corona cases are increasing continuously in Europe too, in India too. Experts are respectfully warning about the third wave. Vaccine is the only weapon to beat corona in India too. People are being rapidly doses with the vaccine, but the question is, will all the adults of the country get the vaccine dose by 31st December? 2 days ago, on August 27, more than 1 crore people were vaccinated in the day in the country. This is the biggest record ever. Yearly on August 16, 88,13,919 doses of vaccine were administered in the day. But by the end of the year, the government will have to increase the pace of further or fulfill the promise of providing the vaccine to all. The country has about 94 crore adult population and they need 188 crore vaccine doses to be fully immunized. In fact, 2 doses of the fully 3 vaccine currently being administered in the India are being given to the people at the different intervals. These 3 vaccines are Covishield, Serum Institute of India, Covaxin of Bharat Biotech and Russian vaccine Sputnik V. If you look at the latest data of the vaccine according to of the Ministry of Health, so far 62.29 crore people have been given the doses of the vaccine. It calculated 51% of the adult population have received at the least on the one of the vaccine dose. Of this, 29.55% have received both doses of the vaccine. It is clear from this figure that India will have to increase the speed of the vaccine from August 28 to December 31st. That is within 126 days, India would have administration 125.75 crore vaccine doses only. Then the deadline till 31st December 2021 can be completed. That is the 1 crore doses of vaccine will have to be administration every day. Stay tuned with us on the Blitz for all such information and updates. Thank you.